Hey, what's up you all? This is Steve, your Captain Chef. Thanks for tuning in my channel. Tofu is an excellent source of protein. It is particularly popular among the vegetarians. Today, I'm going to share with you a recipe. It's called braised tofu and egg, meant for cooking, health eating. Without further ado, let's get started. I chose medium firm tofu to make this dish. Make some thin tofu slices. Prepare some chopped scallion and 5 eggs. To prepare the sauce, you need 1 tablespoon tomato paste, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon vinegar, 1 teaspoon salt and the chicken bone, 1 tablespoon sugar, and 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce. Finally, add 2 tablespoons water. Add vegetable oil to the wok. Add half of the egg into the wok first. Keep cooking at medium to low heat. Lay the tofu slices on the egg. Add some chopped scallion on the tofu and keep cooking. When the egg side done, flip over to cook the tofu side. Pour the rest of the egg along the edge and keep cooking. Now it's time to pour the sauce along the edge. When the sauce becomes condensed, add some seasoned oil to improve the flavor and appearance. Finally, decorate the dish with chopped scallion. This is the braised tofu and egg I'm talking about. It's so easy to make and it tastes great. If you like this video, please give me a thumb up and be sure to subscribe my channel. The subscription is free and your support is very important to me. Thanks for watching. Until next time, you take care.